we have a Fashionphile unbagging, not unboxing, unbagging. So let's go right in. It's been a year and 2 months since I've purchased from Fashionphile. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Wow. This is so nice. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. We got the Louis Vuitton, the Palermo monogram in the PM size. Beautiful condition, just right off the rip. Of course, there's like watermarks throughout, which so understand. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. That's such good condition, the hardware. The zipper is so nice. Okay. And this one didn't have like the date, the year that it was made on their website, which I was kind of shocked about. So I'm gonna find out what the stamp says, what year it was made. Okay, I see it here. See what year this is. So it's made in the US, the 37th week of 2011. Got the strap here. Okay. Oh, it looked kind of small there for a second. I was like, wait, is it missing something? But it's just, it's one of those that it's on the shortest setting currently. Oh my gosh. This is a discontinued bag. This one I never really took notice to. For all the years I've been a Louis Vuitton fan, but it just so happened to catch my eye and it was a good price. I think this came out to $750. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And it comes with the Louis Vuitton original dust bag. So pretty. So pretty. I'm so excited. So this beauty is in such good condition for a 2011. Go in the light more so you can see. Fashionphile has a lot of these currently, so if you're interested, I would highly recommend it. Beautiful piece. Beautiful piece. Oh wow, I can't wait to dress it up and put stuff in it. And I'm gonna do that right in this video because why not? Oh, and it's a PM size, but honestly, this is like a great size. It's not too small. Look at this hardware. Still in really good condition. Again, 2011. Crazy. Strap is super nice. Just normal watermarks throughout the bag, but I'm so excited for this. Beautiful. All right, so again, here it is. I grabbed my current bag, which is mainly, it's like a gym tote bag from Honor Active. That's pretty much what I use for the most part. But I was like, you know what? It's time for a new bag from Fashionphile. I have the Syracuse and the Damier Azur, which is a summer and spring bag. So I needed myself a fall and winter bag and obviously all year bag. So, and I love the monogram print. So let's first take off the Fashionphile tag. You take this off, the bag's yours, which it definitely is. But wow, I love how it's so versatile. You can wear it top handle or you can do it over the shoulder, and then some people wear it cross body depending on your height and all of that. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead, load this up, talk about how it doesn't even smell like it would. I mean, it just has no odor to it. I'm so in heaven with this. I love how the base is nice and structured. Let me like take a moment. I know the piping along The bottom here was a little scuffed up, normal wear and tear for any bag that has the piping, but you got the piping on the sides. And it's just so pretty. It is so pretty. I've been like obsessing over videos lately of this specific bag. The GM size is really nice too, but super huge. Like the PM is perfect for me as a mom of a 1. I can use this as a little diaper bag too, in a sense. I'm not one to carry huge diaper bags anyway, so this is perfect. Oh my god, I love it. All right, let's go and put in some stuff from here. I purposely got a bag charm off of Amazon, which I'm gonna add to it. Here it is. I got this cherry bag charm to go right on the front. And I've seen a lot of girls talk about like the trend right now with the bag charms, which I'm here for it. It's super cute. So I might take this part off here. So I took that one part off the bag charm. It came with this cute little bag. I got this off of Amazon. I'll link it below for you ladies, so check it out. But that's how it looks. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna load this up and then show you how it looks from the inside. Got the baby here. Did not use it yesterday, but today I'm gonna be loading it up with all the goodies. So far I have some stuff in here now. I'm gonna transfer some of the stuff in this bag to this one here. So I have my little replica of the key clay. Got this off of Amazon 2 years ago and it's still in pretty good shape. So that's definitely gonna go inside here. Got a pair of sunglasses that'll go in the side pocket. So I'll hook this to the D-ring on the side of the bag. That way it stays nice and secure and I know where it's at because I have a habit of putting things and forgetting where I put them. And then what I like about the side pocket is you can slide this right into the side pocket here. Just like so. And then in this bag I put in the strap for this bag here because I'm gonna wear it both ways, I figure put this little bag for this, that way it stays nice and secure. And then I'm gonna use this little shimmery bag here for like lip glosses, some hand wipes, lotions, my nail cuticle oil, love that, and a bunch of other little random things in there. And then I have this cute little Pokemon bag, Pikachu. I'm gonna put snacks in here. There's currently nothing now, but figure on the go, have my little snacks. And then I got this from my sister-in-law in Japan. Don't really have much in here besides a couple pens, but I'll put any notes or receipts in here. Store it right into the bag. And then in here I have this little hand towel. I got this in Japan many years ago. And then I got some acetaminophen, some scrunchies, some bobby pins, and the Fashionphile nail file. Always important to have a nail file and a clipper with you. I think I have a clipper in the other bag, but this cute little bag, I forget where I got this, but it's perfect. This bag actually holds a good amount for being a PM. And now that I have one bag charm, I want to get more. I was looking through my things yesterday and realized that I don't really have many bag charms. And I'm like, what could I use? No, that would not look cute. But that's an overview. Show you the inside, how it looks, how everything sits. It still has a lot of room. I don't have anything in the back pockets here. But Such a cute bag. I'm very happy to have this in my collection. So that is the Louis Vuitton Palermo in the size PM. Got it from Fashionphile, like I said, and this was made in September of 2011 here in the US. And great condition, very, very pleased with it. Love it. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.